What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are doing interior stuff today, and it's tedious, but it's got to be done. Let's get into it. No. All right, guys, so here's the thing. I've showed you guys these before, but these interior kits from LMR, when we were starting to take the car apart, the hardware was kind of all over the place, and I don't know if you've ever had yours apart, but none of the hardware matches. Half of it's gone. So here's the deal. These LMR interior kits, you scan this QR code, and then you can see it's got all the bolts. And
new, not rusty.
Yeah, exactly. They're the right color, the right length, and they show you exactly where they go. So everything is going to be fastened down good and tight. Now, the other day I was out here, I got all the hatch area done. You can see all the screws along there, and then all the screws along there, all in. So hatch area is pretty done, minus a few minor things, but just got the mirrors painted. They look amazing. So now we can put the door panels on. But yeah, mirrors came out great. That's just a Sim trim black, only way to fly. But now I guess we're pretty well ready to put a door panel on. Boys, here we go. We're pulling double duty here. So I got all the headlights in. This was a longer process than it looked, because this kit didn't have the brackets. When you're buying these, I would get the LMR Deluxe install kit. They get you all the new weather seals, the backing plates, the little clips. It's very nice. But yeah, guys, sorry we got the battery charger in the way, but two-tone looks like a car again. I've got the badge kit also coming from LMR, which is the front and rear ovals, and then the 5.0 emblems. But while I was fooling with that, Dover finished up the door panels. Got a little cleaning done on them, but man, I'm telling you, it's starting to look like a car again. We were having some issues. One of the window switches was bad. Dover replaced that switch, and so all the windows are working great now, but both door panels are on. So another big step in the process. And now, like I always tell you, this car bites me in the ass every time. For some reason, the radio won't come on. So, yeah, I guess we'll get to figure that out. But yeah, guys, seriously, this has been, this car has kicked our ass up and down the road, but we're almost there. What are we waiting on? Like I said, the emblems. Nick is bringing over the hatch glass and windshield molding. He's got that all painted so we can get that on. I've got to get the back seat in. Once we figure out what's going on with the radio, put the console back together. Charge the air. I think the brakes are bled. A lot of cleaning. We did start cleaning under the hood. It's starting to look 100% better. Guys, this thing looked brand new when we took it over for paint, and just all the dust and all that, it was looking pretty sorry. But been working on that as well. So we're nearing the finish line. I could not be more excited. It's this thing has been a long road. All right, boys, we're gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day inside the hatch, finishing up the quarter trim, getting the back seat in, and just a lot of little stuff, and we're going to troubleshoot the radio. So wish us luck on that. In the meantime, see you on the next one.